Hello and welcome to the English News Bulletin of Indian News. I am Yashwardhan Umak, your news presenter. The truth is our priority. We give justice to your curiosity. The latest news spot only here on Indian News. Give you the latest and most credible news for today. Let's see today's headline. Dinner was organized at the Raj Bhavan to welcome President Draupadi Murmu. Bemitra's IPS officer Bhavna Gupta has been honored with international award. Maharashtra Mandal organized Rudra Abhishek. CM Bhupesh Baghel announces the dearness allowance to the pensioners and officers. Coming back to the news, a dinner was organized at the Raj Bhavan to welcome President Draupadi Murmu and many other politicians and dignitaries attended at Raipur. President Draupadi Murmu, who arrived on a 2-day stay in Chhattisgarh, met the invited guests before the dinner. On this occasion, Governor Vishwabhushan Harichandan and his wife Suprabha Harichandan, Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel and his wife Mrs. Mukteshwari Baghel, Union Minister Renuka Singh, Chief Justice of Chhattisgarh High Court Justice Ramesh Sinha and many other public representative and administrative officials were also present. Bemitra's IPS officer Bhavna Gupta has been honored with the AICP International Award. There is a wave of happiness in the police department due to her achievement. Bemitra's SP Bhavna Gupta has been given this international award for her excellent service in Surajpur and Sarguja. SP Gupta has become the first woman IPS of the state of Chhattisgarh to receive this honor. Let us tell you that this award is given every year to police officers who provide better service. In Bhilai, the Maharashtra Mandal organized a collective small Rudra Abhishek in which the people of the society registered their presence in the large numbers. Maharashtra Mandal Sector 4, being a social organization, has been playing a leading role in the welfare of society for the last many years with various objectives. Social, religious and cultural programs are organized by this organization. Throughout the year, in the same sequence, every year in the month of Sawan, collective Rudra Abhishek is also organized by the Mandal, under which a collective miniature Rudra Abhishek and worship were organized, in which Rudra Abhishek was performed amidst the chanting of mantras by 11 Pandits, in which a large number of people from the society participated. Rajendra Sahu, a resident of Pathaipali under Basna in Mahasamund district, is earning double his income by growing para mushroom under mango trees in his field, due to which his economic condition is getting stronger. Farmer Rajendra Sahu was worried due to the loss of paddy and other crops, after which he took guidance from scientists at Indira Gandhi Agricultural University and has been producing mushrooms with advanced technology for the last 12 years. He is earning lakhs of rupees by growing 1 quintal to 1.50 quintals of mushroom daily. Rajendra Sahu said that he is selling mushrooms for rupees 250 to rupees 300 per kg, as well as making vermicompost from the waste material left after mushroom production and earning revenue from earthworms. They are also selling 10 to 15 metric tons of mushroom annually. The mushroom grown by them are being exported to other districts, including the region, which he has become an inspiration for the farmers. According to the announcement of Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel, the dearness allowance of the pensioners, officers and employees of Chhattisgarh has been increased. The Finance Department of the Chhattisgarh government has issued an order to this effect. In the 7th pay scale, the dearness allowance for basic pensions and family pensions has been increased by 4%. This benefit will be available on the first day of July. After this increase, the dearness relief has now gone up to 42%. Along with this, the dearness allowance of pensioners receiving basic pensions and family pensions on the 6th pay scale has been increased by 9%. With this increase, the total increase in dearness relief has gone up to 221%. At the State Congress headquarters in Shankarnagar, Raipur, the capital of Chhattisgarh, top Congress leaders held a press conference and made a big allegation against the Bharatiya Janata Party. Chhattisgarh Pradesh Congress in charge Kumari Shailaja targeted the BJP in the press conference. Kumari Shailaja said, enthusiasm is visible among the people of Chhattisgarh about Congress even after 5 years. She said that Congress leaders in Chhattisgarh are being harassed and intimidated through central agencies like ED and CBI. Congress is not afraid of anyone, nor are our leaders afraid. State in charge Kumari Shailaja said, Chhattisgarh has been misruled by BJP for 15 years. It is necessary for the public to know the dark deeds of the central government. BJP promotes the politics of lies. The union minister makes wrong statement after coming to Chhattisgarh. The real character of BJP is in the country is anti-tribal and anti-Dalit. He also presented a 212-point black letter against BJP. Bastar MP and Chhattisgarh Congress State President Deepak Baig said that BJP character is anti-tribal, anti-Dalit and anti-poor. Assam Jhulan Yatra concluded peacefully at Dula Bachada in Karimganj district, during which thousands of villagers reached and enjoyed the fair, in which attractive tableaux were the main attraction. The auspicious beginning of Jhulan Yatra is being started by the local people since 1971 in Dula Bachada, Bada Bazar, with various grand and interesting scenes, like every year. This year too, a yatra was organized which was enjoyed by thousands of people from far-flung villages and enjoy various type of food items. This yatra was arranged by the members of Rupanjali Club, Shraddhavan Club and Star Club. And that's all for today. Keep watching Indian News. Thank you and have a great day.